Good evening. On November 29th, 2021, the Parliament has passed a bill which is meant for repealing three contentious farm laws which were already passed earlier. The decision has been taken after the Prime Minister of India has made a promise to repeal these contentious farm laws. But if you look at the Parliament, as far as the Constitution is concerned, there should not be a gap of more than 6 months between any two consecutive sessions of the Parliament. But if you look at India, every year we'll go for the three sessions of the Parliament. One is called budget session, second one is called monsoon session, and third one is called winter session. But please remember the names budget session, monsoon session or winter session, they are not mentioned in the Constitution. Constitution mentions it as a session only. Now, so whenever you talk about the session, Parliament session is always summoned by the President of India, and that session will be prorogued by the President. So this was a question that was asked many times. Who summons and prorogues the Parliament? And your answer will be the President of India. Of course, the President will summon and prorogue on the advice that is given by the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. So this is point number one. Number two, on November 29th, 2021, a bill which is meant for repealing three contentious farm laws for repealing has been introduced in the Lok Sabha. The bill was passed without any discussion. In Lok Sabha, opposition parties have raised their voice and they demanded for the discussion on this particular bill. But the government said, since everybody is accepting, meaning opposition parties are also demanding for repealing these three bills, there is no necessity of any discussion. And without any discussion, the bill has been passed in the Lok Sabha and that has been sent to the Rajya Sabha. Even in Rajya Sabha also, the bill has been passed without any discussion. Since the government says that as all opposition parties are demanding for the repealing of these three farm laws, there is no point in going for the discussion. It indicates very clearly that when you introduce a bill in the Parliament, there is no necessity of a compulsory discussion on a bill. Please understand this. If all the members are agreeing, rather, if majority of the members are agreeing, then you can pass the bill without any discussion. And it happened many times also. Clear point number one. And number two, most of the bills in the Parliament are passed by voice vote. Right? So the bills are passed by the voice vote. But if any political party, especially if any opposition party demands for that division, if any political party demands for the division, then the speaker in the Lok Sabha or a chairman in the Rajya Sabha will permit for the division. Otherwise, most of the bills are passed through the voice vote. And today, a bill which is meant for repealing these three contentious farm laws, it has been passed by both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha separately with voice vote. Meaning, and the government is saying that it was a promise that was made by the Prime Minister and we have repealed those contentious farm laws. So this is what happened. So please remember these points and I'll see you in the next session with more topics. Thank you so much.